Dr. Henry, I'm concerned about Mr. Chappell's recent cardiac event. He's experiencing chest pain and shortness of breath.
That's concerning, Dr. Mihira. We need to act quickly to prevent further complications. Let's start with aggressive medical management, including medications to control his blood pressure and heart rate.
I agree. We should also consider cardiac catheterization to assess the extent of the blockage and determine the best course of treatment.
That's a good idea. If the blockage is significant, we may need to perform a percutaneous coronary intervention to open the blocked artery.
If PCI is not feasible or effective, we may need to consider coronary artery bypass grafting. However, we should weigh the risks and benefits of each procedure carefully.
Dr. Mihira, it's important to optimize his risk factors, such as controlling his blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes. We should also encourage him to adopt a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. Now, Mihira, I'd like to talk about some of the available management options with you, as it's important for you to feel comfortable with a path forward. There are several ways we can manage your condition, each with its own benefits and considerations. One option is to continue with what we call conservative management. This focuses on managing your symptoms through medications, diet, and fluid restrictions. It's about maximizing your comfort and quality of life for as long as possible. Another option is dialysis, which acts as an artificial kidney to filter waste and excess fluid from your blood. There are different types of dialysis, and we can discuss which might be the best fit for your lifestyle and preferences. Finally, there's the possibility of a kidney transplant. This can offer a more long-term solution, but it involves a careful evaluation process and being placed on a waiting list. I want to assure you that we'll explore each of these options thoroughly, answer all your questions, and make a decision together that aligns with your goals and what's most important to you. Do you have any questions or concerns?